Hello. What's up, guys? We're doing I subscribe and like. Hello, guys. I'm Derek Keeney. As you all know, we're trying to make the best summer, the last summer that we ever seen. So we're doing animal crackers, but it could have been mine, but I'm doing animal versions without stopping. So here we go.
Think of the things I could have done. Come on,
Wow, yeah. Sea lion, gorilla, human, yeah, human,
it all should have been mine. The fame, the fortune, and the fame. I should have been bigger than Elvis, and the fortune of a king.
Come here, what? Yeah, the red ball.
No harmonization. Thank you. It could have been mine. It should have been mine. My manager.
Go.
It should have been mine.
So, yeah, that's basically it for the animal crackers. I'm all out of breath. If you want me to do another animal cracker song, be sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'm on a kids channel, so you can't turn on notification bells. So, until next time, adventurers, take care.